34 feet. And I'm gonna drop right on his head. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, I'm off to the side. A little bit, we come up, we come up, we come up, we come up, we come up. There we go. There we go. Let's see what you're gonna do. She see it and she hit it. One shot, one kill. Feel like a good fish. Feels like a good fish. It is a good fish, but it ain't a crappie. She's a hybrid. Or white, rather. Where'd that thing go? There we go. Here we go. She sees it. She sees it. She came and got it. She came and got it. Oh, shoot, and I ain't recording. She came and got it. Didn't catch this one on live scope, but I caught this fish. Another one out there a little bit deeper. And because I'm fishing deeper water now, what I should be doing, and I haven't done it yet, I need to switch over from a 1/32 ounce jig head. I think I'm going to do that now because it takes this thing a while to get down there, and on that fish right there, I need a heavier weight to get down there faster. So I'm going to use my other rod here that has, this one's my 1/16 ounce jig head. Now this one's a crappie bait, but I see my hand tied. Throw it out there. 20 feet out, 14 feet deep. Much better, much faster fall. Don't have to do as much boat control. I mean, easier to control the boat. Oh, shoot, I lost my fish now. There we go. Catfish? Catfish don't chase me up like that? What are you doing? What are you doing? Did I get that? I didn't get it. We're gonna throw you back though. It's been a long time since I caught a catfish. So I'm gonna have to tell you. You get my jig back. Get off of my boat!
Sarah has an earlier opening, and she mentioned that you like to come in early. Would you like to come in at 8 instead of 10?
Yep.
Or just leave it the same?
8 is better. Yep.
Okay.
8.
I'm moving you to 8 in the morning on Wednesday the 11th of this week, okay?
All right, sounds good.
Okay, perfect. We'll see you then.
Thanks, bye-bye.
Bye.
That's another fish. She might be 10-inch. We're gonna keep her. Feet out. Got him that time. God dog it, I missed him again. They ain't going nowhere though. She's still there. They broke up, but they ain't going nowhere. Here we go. Here she comes again. Here she comes for a third time. You gonna take a third bite at the apple? Nope. Third time she said, I done seen it twice. Right there. So I should be able to get one out there. A couple of them, honestly, not just one. We'll come all the way in. I've been going from the bottom to the top. From the top to the bottom. Let's see if we come in on the side and see what happens. They're gonna want to come out. Come on. These are decent fish too. That ain't bad. Let's back up off of them. That ain't a bad fish. There she goes. She turned that time. Got her. Got her. I thought she was bigger than she looked. She looked bigger than she is. I'm gonna throw this one back. She looked bigger. No wonder she was sitting still. She's too lazy. Go on out of here now. Get. Got him. That's an 11-inch fish. She gonna make it. She gonna curl the bucket, folks. I'm gonna change this bait out and go to a different color. Nice fish. Good fish, 11 inches. She gonna curl the bottom of the bucket. All that, this little bit dink come out of there. All that work for this little bit dink. Get on out of here now, get.